All right, so I'm going to be going over how to use the Binance US app to make money trading cryptocurrency in 2021. Now, I really don't want to complicate this because it's not that complicated. The way I've made a lot of money trading crypto, specifically on my phone over the last, like 6 or 7 years now, is what's called swing trading. So basically what swing trading is, it's when, you're waiting basically for like the market to crash. So basically, you don't want to be buying into crypto at all when things are like going up, like in the green. The best time to buy is when things are crashing down. And I know that's really hard to understand, but truthfully, it can be hard because when you see things going up and people talking about like Bitcoin or Ethereum or basically any coin going up, you're automatically instinctively gonna want to buy into it. Now, I'm trying to show you that here on basically Binance US, which is also a great place to trade crypto. The fees are extremely low here, so that's kind of a big deal. Plus, they've got like 50 different coins that you can buy, sell, and trade. And of course, if you guys do want to get started on Binance US, I'll throw a bonus link in both the description and comments of this video. But I'm just trying to really just show you on the graph here, which I'm going to do again in a second, just basically what you are trying to do in order to, make money kind of in a quicker manner, I guess you could say, than like long-term holding, which you can obviously do as well. Now, you got to remember too, this isn't going to be financial advice. You got to like learn from your mistakes when you're doing this, but it's definitely possible to make money. Now, I did want to throw up Coinbase Pro, which is also another good app to, trade crypto with. I've got more money in it right now, like around 10,000 bucks, but I'm just trying to pull up my history so you can see that I do buy and sell very frequently. I mean, I don't really have like a normal hold time. It could be a few days, it could be a few weeks. It really just it depends on where the coin's at in price, if it's time to sell or not. Now, I also want to pull this up so you can see it a little bit closer. So I've got the desktop version here for Binance US. And gonna go back to what I'm talking about with like when you're trying to buy in. So we're looking at like the weekly graph on Ethereum, and you can see that for the most part, this might not be the best coin to do swing trading with right now. However, I have been doing that because you can see when it's going up in the green, you can see the red when it goes down. What you're trying to do here is you just want to be buying when it's in the red, okay? And then you got to like take a certain percent, whether it's like a few percent, 5%, 10%, then you want to sell, get out, and then you want to rinse and repeat and wait for it to go red again. And then, like I said, I wanted to show you a little bit closer. I've been doing this on Coinbase Pro. Pro does have higher fees than Binance US, so I do want to just let you know that. Plus, they do have some different coins on both of these exchanges. But like I said, I just have more money in Coinbase Pro right now. But I also want to recommend a few different coins that I think are worth checking out right now. And the first one's going to be OXT, which is going to be Orchid. I really think this is a good coin. It's a VPN-based crypto. It's got a low price point, so it's a little bit more low cap, but it's got a lot of potential. So it's not only good for like a swing trading kind of thing, but it's also good for the long term. So, I do recommend checking that one out. All right, next coin. Cardano, obviously. And, I also like Ethereum, but Cardano right now is just going crazy. It's like, I think it's up like 900%. However, I think that, if you get in on it, if it could drop to like the 50, maybe even 40 cent level again, I think it's a good coin. But bottom line, guys, making money trading crypto on the Binance US app, you want to be doing what's called swing trading. And I'll have some resources in the description and comments of this video. If you guys could smash a like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.